Hey Andy, just wanted to send you a short video. I've talked to my colleague about the authorization problem with Google, so I just want to double check before I move further. I want to double check that you signed out of your personal account and you relogged back in with your KPBSD account. So I've got my Gmail up right here. I just want to make sure that you actually went into your profile in the upper right hand corner and you signed out. When you sign out of that Gmail account or your personal Google account, the best re-entry back into your KPBSD account would be to actually go to this website, go to our district website. From the employee tab, if you're at the home screen, click into employees, go into this icon that says docs. When you do that, when you click into that docs, it's going to prompt you to log in using your e-number, and that should bring you to your KPBSD account. So put your login, your e-number, your password, sign in, and then it automatically drops you into the KPBSD drive. And then the entry point into Google for KPBSD is always through the website, through that docs. So I just wanted to double check to make sure that you went through those specific steps before I chased it down any further. Also, I wanted to bring your attention to a website that gives you the KPBSD math curriculum. So those, I do believe, are the documents that you're looking for. I got to it from the website by clicking curriculum, and then at the bottom there is a mathematics K5. Click, and I clicked onto that. I clicked second grade, and there is the recommended scope and sequence for math second grade, as well as each one of the units, understandings and recommendations for working through each unit. Now when you get into your Canvas course, the ELA, and you work through the Google accessibility issue, you're going to also see these documents in the Canvas course on the district resources page. You're going to see a unit for each ELA, which will give you the scope and sequence for language arts. So I just wanted to give you this information. Hope it all works out. Feel free to email me back, and I'm happy to answer any other questions. Talk later.